Hello students, welcome again with a new session of new topic, that is Adobe Spark. Now in today's session students, we are going to learn about Adobe Spark, and we are also going to learn the use of Adobe Spark in different fields and how we can install Adobe Spark in our Android phones or Android devices. Now let's see what is Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark basically is an online and mobile design app which can create easily stunning social graphics, short videos and web pages that make you stand out on social media. That means through the Adobe Spark post, we can easily create very interactive posters. Through the Adobe Spark page, we can create the web pages, interactive web pages, and through the Spark videos, we can have the short animated videos and in a very easy manner, and that too we can share them on social media. Now students, Adobe Spark app provides us with the three designing apps. The first one is the Spark Post, the another one is the Spark Video, and the third one is the Spark Page. Spark Post app is only available on Android devices. That means only this particular app is available on Android devices. And Spark Video and Spark Page can be done through the laptop or the desktop. That means only the desktop version or the version is available for video and the pages. Spark Post is basically, as I told you, is used for creating the stunning social graphics which you can share on the social media platforms. Now in next we are going to see how we can install Adobe Spark Post in our Android devices. Now students, to install Adobe Spark Post in your mobiles or Android devices, we need to click on Google Play Store app. Once we click on Google Play Store, it will show you the search box. In the search box, type Spark Post and then click on search. Now, as it is already installed in my mobile, therefore it is only showing me the option to open it. But in the mobiles or the Android devices where it is not installed, it will show you to install it. After installing, it will show you the option of open. Now, I am going to open this Adobe Spark Post app. Now, when you open it, students, it will show you the layout like this. It will show you the heading of Spark Post at the top, and at the bottom we are having two options. One is the templates and the another one is the My Post, which you can easily see. Templates is going to show you the already designed posters or already designed animations which you people can use. And My Post is going to show you all those posts or all those drawings or the graphics which the user has created through their mobiles. So this way we can have the Adobe Spark Post installed in our mobiles. And as I told you, it will ask you your Gmail ID also. So you have to log in using your own Gmail ID. So this much is for today's students. In our next video, we are going to see how we can start creating the posters in this Spark Post app. Till then students, goodbye.